Tensions continue to mount between India and Pakistan following the deadly terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam on April 22nd, which claimed 26 lives. In a major development, the Directors General of Military Operations from both countries held a conversation over the hotline. The Indian side reportedly warned Pakistan against unprovoked firing along the line of control. This communication took place on Tuesday amid a spike in border violations and increasing diplomatic hostility. The Indian government is in full crisis management mode. A high level cabinet committee on security, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has met twice since the attack. Although there is no official statement from the center yet, sources confirm that the CCS has been actively reviewing the security landscape in Jammu and Kashmir. In its first meeting held on April 23rd, the CCS decided on several punitive steps against Pakistan. These include the suspension of the Indus Waters Treaty, the closure of the only operational land border at Atari, and a downgrade of diplomatic relations. These steps have already begun to take effect. In the past 6 days, 786 Pakistani nationals have exited India via the Atari Wagah border. This number includes 55 diplomats, their dependents, and other support staff. Alongside them, 8 Indian citizens holding Pakistani visas have also returned. 1,465 Indian nationals, including 25 diplomats and officials, have crossed over into India from Pakistan since April 24th. Among them were 151 Pakistani citizens who hold long term Indian visas. The evacuation and diplomatic freeze come in direct response to the April 22nd attack in Pahalgam, which is being linked to cross border terror elements. As New Delhi toughens its posture, political parties are also responding. The Congress party has issued a formal statement expressing deep anguish over the Pahalgam attack and has directed all members to maintain discipline and consistency in public communication. This follows public backlash against comments made by Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Senior Congress leaders like Shashi Tharoor and Vijay Wadetwar have also come under scrutiny. Stay tuned for more updates on India's response to Pakistan, cross border developments, and the evolving security situation in Jammu and Kashmir.